Greetings from Snake Mountain Boat Works on Saturday, November 22, 2025. You guessed it. One Lyman Cruisette's not enough, so why not preserve two of them? She came in last week, proudly bringing her name with her. Water the odds. She's a 1967 26-foot Lyman Cruisette. And she's really, other than finishes and things like that, and we will be repowering her. She's currently has a 5.2 liter monster engine in her. It is freshwater cooled, her new engine, which is being built by Robert Henkel, Peter Henkel Incorporated, Marine City, Michigan, is building her replacement engine. It's going to be something to behold. We've begun the disassembly, and I thought I would introduce her to you from the bow to the stern. We are very pleased that her stem, knee, and gripe all appear to be in excellent shape. The strakes, look at those. Yes, the paint is horrible. This boat has, I think, been sitting for a decade or maybe two. She's been undercover, and we will redo her as this color scheme presents. But all that paint's got to come off. That will take a little time. Her foredeck, covering boards, and aft deck are all in really excellent condition. We will sand these down, hoping that will do the trick, but it looks like she had some sort of stain varnish applied to her at some times. So my guess is we're going down to bare wood. We have to be really careful. Remember, this is plywood. The windshield is just superb, really good, as is the foredeck hatch. We will be sending all the chrome and hardware down to DNS Custom Metal Restoration in Holyoke, Mass. She's been in the saltwater most of her life, and the hardware shows that. So we'll get it brought back to life. But she is huge. She's tough to even get around. But you see that even the gasket around the windshield components is still in good shape, but not perfect shape. So you can see right there, we've got a little shrinkage. And if we get up on a ladder and take a look at her on the inside, you see that her sink and that countertop is really in good shape. The faucet's in good shape. There's a port for the ice bucket, but there is no ice bucket inside. But everything in here is really still in very nice shape. My guess is that on the inside, we will get out the 320 grit paper and sand everything down so that it is a matte finish, and then come back with, I don't know, 5, 6, 10 coats of varnish, probably Petit high build. And this is the monster 240 horsepower engine that evidently has long since lived its useful life. We haven't checked the gas tank yet, but as with the other Lyman, I'm pretty sure since it's been sitting so long that it'll be going off to Rayco tanks to be replaced. I've started working on the aft deck just to see what we're approaching, what we're facing. Every screw so far has backed out nicely, tightens down nicely, and grips well. So I really don't think we're going to find much rot. But of course, we don't have the floorboards up yet. That'll be, well, a ways. We've got to get them up to get the engine out, and then we'll continue on cleaning the bilge, certainly painting it with Sandusky Santan bilge paint. But we're pretty excited. And so we'll close this introduction to you of What Are the Odds? Beautiful, beautiful swim platform. The transom's just in excellent shape. There's actually absolutely no rot around the perimeter of it below the waterline, which is extremely rare. And I can't tell you how welcome. So that's our update on November 22, 2025 on our 1967 26-foot Lyman Cruisette. Thank you so much. Bye-bye for now from Snake Mountain Boat Works.